Here's provider's app. It's formerly known as Fresh EBT. So yeah, you can see it here. It's constantly in the top charts, and it's #1 rated EBT app for checking your food stamp balance. You can also manage other benefits and income with provider's card, free debit account. There are already 5 million people who use providers to manage their EBT, WIC, SSI, unemployment, other benefits, and debit. And then you can just manage your benefits and debit side by side. You can manage all your income in one easy app, EBT, VIC, so all of that, and it works in every state. So pretty powerful app. It has more than 200,000 reviews. So anyhow, you just create your account with Apple ID or with Google. Super easy to do it. Then you just enter your postcode, and then it's just available in like for example providers in California or something. Then on the home screen you just see a lot of offers, a lot of links to different apps, like tips how to save money, how to get some cash, how to get like $50, how to get like $100, whatever. There is some benefit program updates. There are some local jobs and gigs where you can get, like $20 per hour. There is online grocery shopping. You can explore all the different providers. There is like coupons. You can find, for example, coupon tools. You can find jobs, grocery hubs, recipes for some cheap food, like some codes for Walmart. And then a lot more stores accepting EBT for online grocery orders, and you can explore it here. Then you have accounts. That's your account. Mobile banking, you can link your EBT account. So basically you just link your EBT account like that, or you can also just create an account, just add in your EBT card number and SU ID. Then there is job search. You can also find all all offers and some different apps and discounts where you can save like $20, $25, $50 and get some food, get some groceries. Then there is a new feature to do some tax filing. And then there is you can get also some customer support, questions about providers, question about provider's card. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can get a provider's card here, which can be used for your paychecks, the child tax credit, and then again you just have map, recipes, benefits hub. You can apply for some things here, and then so that's the idea. That's the idea of the app. Again, it just has a lot of offers here, so you just need to explore them yourself, and it's pretty powerful and nicely done app. Everything in one place, so easy to use. So feel free to explore this app, and thank you for watching.